Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. I'm your host, Polar Bear Ed, and if you're stopping in, you must like easy and simple recipes. That's all we make here. So today we got a slow cooker crock pot meal. It's chicken and potatoes, cheesy chicken and potatoes. So it's what I found it on the internet. Looked good to me. I've never made it before, but I'm going to give it a try. So let's get over here and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. Get this going. We got about 3.5 tablespoons of ranch dressing seasoning mix. So drop that in the bottom of our container, our cooker. And we got a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And then it says to stir it till it combines. I guess I could have got something a little better to stir it with, but it is what it is. Get all that down off the sides there. So maybe I should have done this in a bowl and then dumped it in here, but anyways, good enough combined for me. Now this is about 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. It says to use chicken breasts, but I don't know if you guys seen the price of chicken breasts lately. So we're going to use thighs. It's all getting seasoned and cooked. It's all chicken. So just make it into a nice layer in the bottom. So, all right. To get your chicken in there, I'm going to take 1.5 pounds of the little spuds, little taters. Put them in there in a nice even layer. They said to use yellow russets. I got the mixed just because that's what I like. You know, taters are taters myself. I don't know about you y'all, but you know, that's the way I look at it. So, all right. Now, it says to drizzle with olive oil. Well, we're not going to drizzle. We're going to spray. They're sprayed. We're going to put a little salt on them. That's what the recipe says. And a little bit of black pepper. All right. Now, said to cook on high for about 3 hours. They said 2 hours, 45 minutes. We're going to do 3 hours. So let me get this cooking, and after the 3 hours is up, we'll bring you all back. All right, y'all. It's been about 3 hours. We're going to take our chicken out of the crock pot now. I'm going to still leave it on high, but we got to get down in here and get our chicken out. And it's falling apart, so that's okay because we need to shred it anyways. Leave the taters in the cooker. This smells really, really good, y'all. I don't know if I said it or not, but I've never made this before, so I think we got it all. Nope, one more piece over here. Well, at least we know it's done, y'all, right? Okay. Now, I'm going to set that off to the side and let it cool just a little bit, enough that we can shred it. And now, to this, we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of ranch dressing. Get all that out of there. And a cup and a half of, I'm using extra sharp cheddar, because that's what I like. And now we just need to mix it up. Now we're going to throw the lid back on for about 10 minutes. Let all this cheese melt and the cream cheese melt. And then I'm going to shred the chicken off camera. And then after that, we'll move on to the next piece. So y'all hang out and be right back. All right, y'all. It's been a little bit here. Yep. Oh, this is all nice and melty. Oh yeah. All right, we're ready to add our chicken back into this. I mean, that's some thick stuff there, but got our chicken back in there that I already shredded. That shredded real easy. So let's get this mixed in there. I guess I didn't test them taters to see if they're done, but they should be. I mean, that chicken shredded real easy, so we'll give one a try here. Get that chicken mixed in there. All right. Grab me a fork here. For a fork tender, they're done. Oh yeah, that's done. Oh yeah, they're done. So, all right. I'm going to put the lid back on this for like 5 minutes or so. Just let that chicken kind of warm back up, and then we'll have our taste test. So hang out. All right, y'all. Let's get some of this goodness out of here, and we'll do our taste test. So get down in there. Oh, yeah. A little bit more, why not? All right. Now, we're going to throw a little bit of bacon on there. That's what the recipe said to do. The bacon, a little bit of cheese, a little more cheese. Never having too much cheese, can you? And a few chives, or green onion, whatever you want to call them. So, all right, look at that, y'all. Ain't that delicious looking? All right, let's do our taste test now. All right, y'all. We got our chicken and chives, and our creamy chicken and potatoes. So it looks delicious to me. So let's have a bite. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did sneak a piece of the chicken before I put the cream cheese and stuff in it, and it was pretty dang good. So I got tater here now. Perfectly done. Oh, nice and cheesy. Let's get a piece of that chicken there. A piece of the chicken. Y'all, that is like melt in your mouth delicious. Oh yeah. So there you have it, y'all. Slow cooker, chicken and potatoes. Cheesy chicken and potatoes. Creamy chicken and potatoes. Whatever you want to call it. It's good. Call it good. That's what it is. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope you are going to try that. And super easy to make. If you had a bigger slow cooker, bigger meal, bigger family, you could do 4 pounds of the chicken thighs and 3 pounds of the potatoes, and then just basically double wall everything we put in there, and that would make an awesome big meal for a big family. So I'm meal prepping, so that's what I did. So anyways, appreciate y'all, love y'all, hope y'all are going to try this. Please hit that thumbs up button for the bear. Leave me a comment down below what you think of this recipe, and I think if you're on your cell phone, you're watching this, you can hit the hype button. Let's try to get, give me some hype. So, but yeah, all that stuff, like, comment, subscribe. It's always, it's always the same thing. But love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.